Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to choose between Robinhood or TradeStation. In today's comparison video, I will tell you exactly the things that you need to know to make your decision. But before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, because I won't tell you which platform is better than the other, because both platforms are great. I will tell you with my experiences on both platforms which one will fit you the best with your goals and your purpose on a platform. So let's start right here with the comparison. If you look to the main focus on Robinhood, is that Robinhood has a simple investing and trading system on the platform. If you look to TradeStation, that is more an advanced trading and brokerage platform. If you look to best for, and with that I mean Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and TradeStation is the best for active traders and experienced investors. If you look to the trading tools, Robinhood has a basic chart and trading tool, so it's very beginner friendly. And right here, TradeStation had an advanced charting, scanners and automation tool. If you look to the interface, Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly, and TradeStation is professional and future rich. If you go to fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading and TradeStation has a commission-free stock trading with competitive futures and options pricing. So TradeStation is a little bit more advanced in my opinion, and Robinhood is a little bit more for the beginners. So if you're asking me, many traders use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETFs, options trading and beginner-friendly investing, and many traders use TradeStation for active trading, advanced charting, automation, futures trading and professional market analysis. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform you want to pick. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.